Hello and welcome back to another tutorial on jsPsych. So I have some updates on the previous tutorial where I talk about putting on a finish page after you have saved a file. So previously I said that I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, and now I figured out why. So we have the script. So right now it's saved Dropbox and it's working. But the problem is it doesn't serve the page after it saves the file. That is because we forgot to end the response after this page. So we have to finish the post response. And after that, it's gonna go back to where we are. So after it saves the file, we're gonna push it to the finish page. So I think it's document dot window dot href dot log. So we're gonna start the finish page. I think that's about Windows dot. Sorry, it's location dot href. So we want a location link. And it's supposed to be equals finish, and that's that. So once it's saved, please contact the experiment. We need to serve the finish page here as well. So once the alerted, the file has been saved, we're going to alert and move to the finish page. So right here, we have to create a finish page. It's the same way, add.get. But this time we're going to /finish because it's going to be a finish page function request q u. Okay, so there's a spelling mistake. Response. Oh, there's a lot of spelling error. Okay, so response dot render. So we need to render a finish dot html. So this is the page that we're going to create, and we have a template. Okay, so we need to move this to a new file called finish. I'm going to create one here, HTML file. So finish, F-I-N-I-S-H, spell it correctly. So experiment. Kind of forgot what I named this. My experiment. So body, let's create a script. Remove this here. And that's it. So that's all we have to do. Let's close template. Everything looks okay. So right now let's test it. I'm gonna close everything. Only leave the welcome and instructions on. I'm gonna test it and run node app.js. So I'm gonna find 0868. All right, so strange. Never mind. Complete the experiment. Problem writing data to Dropbox. Now data. So data has been saved. You can now close this screen. So now it's a finished page. So we've successfully created one. But there's a problem with our saving data. Let's check it out. So let me pause the video and check out what's going on. Hi, so I found out the error. Forgot the S in response because it's not looking for response. So let me try again. 51102. Local. Instructions, and instructions completed. Data has been saved. Looks like we can close the screen. So that's it. So we have updated the finished page to serve a new page after we've completed the experiment and that has been saved. Yeah, so that's the basic idea. You can sort of, I'd say, change this up if you like. Serve an instruction page, or let's just use the welcome screen for that page. So HTML, keyboard. So we're gonna create the end experiment var end block. So preamble, that's the one on top. You don't need that. So I don't think I remember. I think it's stimulus. Stimulus. The experiment data has your data has been saved. You can now close this screen. So now we need to add this to the timeline. Let's copy this. Timeline, push, and block. So we need to create a jsPsych.init. We cannot remember. Options, yes, I need the curly braces. And I just need a timeline. Since we have one timeline, we just need to put this rather than putting it like that because we only have one block. So this should be good. And we forgot we need to add the source file for jsPsych and HTML response. So let's just get it from here. JSite jQuery HTML. So I'm going to put it right below the title. Keyboard. We want to test this page. Let's run finish.html. Okay. Yes, we need style. So jQuery style, go to add, and let's run this again. So your data has been saved. We can now close the screen. So it looks like we're done. So that's it for end of this tutorial. So we have I have updated the tutorial, and now we have a proper finished page. So we have to create to append it to our finish on finish function in the jsPsych experiment. We can use it. We can build a separate page for that. Right. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a great day.